Good morning children. Welcome to English class 6. Before going to next topic, we will just recall the previous content. Between the month of January to March, female olive ridley comes ashore to lay eggs. 45 centimeter cavity. It's more than lays 100 eggs. Shape is like a tennis ball. And then turtle hides the eggs under the sand. Local people follow the tracks of the turtles. They collect the eggs for eating jackal, domestic dogs, pigs to dig up. Eat the eggs after 45 to 60 days to the eggshell with the help of tiny egg tooth. Now see the lesson section 3. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within the first few days of their lives. In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive. Survive means continue to live. To keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become adults return to the same beach where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find their place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries. Mysteries means difficult to understand of these fascinating reptiles. Fascinating means attracting greatly. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures. So, children, we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years. But sadly, human activities during the last few decades means a period of 10 years, have put them in cave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motorboats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beach also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. Author is Shekhar Dattatri. About Shekhar Dattatri writes popular articles on wildlife, conservation, and filmmaking. He has been interested in nature for childhood. He is an award winning wildlife and conservation filmmaker. For more information on him, visit www.shekhardattatri.com. Children, now came to end up of lesson. So now I will give you some important points of this lesson. Note down. Olive ridley, leatherback, green sea turtles, loggerhead, hawksbill, 5 found in India. The smallest species, the olive ridley, weight up to 35 kg. The largest one weight up to 700 kg. Aribada. Aribada is also called mass nesting. Turtles comes to end to lay their eggs. Sea turtles live entire life into the sea. Dear children, I hope you all understood very well about the lesson. Just go through the reading lesson. Children, learn and write synonyms, antonyms, and choose the correct answer in your classwork. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.